To find the best water leak detectors for different needs and smart home setups, we spoke with plumbing and leak prevention experts and used hands-on experience and research to judge top models on their cost, user-friendliness, smart home compatibility, and app features. These are the 5 best Wi-Fi water sensor available in 2023. Number 1, Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor 3-Pack Adjustable Alarm. This water leak detector from Govee detects leaks and sends a notification in 2 ways, directly to a smartphone via a home's Wi-Fi network and through a local alerting siren alarm. Once connected to a home's Wi-Fi gateway, the detector sends alerts via SMS and email at all times. As a safety backup, a built-in 100 dB siren alarm will function even if the Wi-Fi connection is temporarily unavailable. This leak detector also boasts a high waterproof rating, so it won't be damaged or destroyed during extended periods of use in high moisture areas or even in the event of full water submersion. The app is basic but works well and displays alert history. Unfortunately, these sensors require a Govee Wi-Fi hub included in the box, which takes up a power outlet, and each sensor takes 2 AA batteries, also provided. One concern with these sensors is that I failed to receive alerts when my phone was connected to mobile data rather than Wi-Fi. Though the email did come through, there's also no smart home integration. Pros: connect up to 10 sensors, IP66 waterproof rating, audible alarm works without Wi-Fi, top and bottom sensors. Cons: Wi-Fi connections can be flaky. Number 2, Yolink Smart Water Leak Protection System. Looking for a leak detection solution that's capable of integrating with smart devices? This water leak detector from Yolink can send leak alerts in the form of smartphone banner notifications, SMS text messages, and emails, and can even transmit alerts by integrating with Amazon Alexa and IFTTT-compatible smart devices. Once the detector is integrated with a smart device, the paired app sets up monitoring routines and tracks history logs to ensure leaks are discovered and noted as soon as possible. Boasting the longest wireless range in the smart home industry, the base can connect to individual detectors from up to 1,000 feet in the open air outdoors and up to 328 feet indoors. As opposed to other smart home leak detectors, this model isn't dependent on a home's Wi-Fi network but instead uses special radio frequencies to transmit its signals without taking up the network's bandwidth. Although this unit doesn't feature a built-in siren alarm, a compatible siren alarm is available for separate purchase. Yolink also offers other compatible accessories like an automatic shut-off valve for sinks. Pros: sensor range up to a quarter mile. LoRa technology does not impact internet performance. Auto shut-off valve available. Extra cost: a compatible siren alarm. Cons: no audible alarm. Number 3, Moan 920-005 Flow Smart Leak Detector. Easy to install, smart, affordable, and compact, the Moan 920-005 Flow Smart Water Leak Detector is the best smart water leak detector we've used. Its small, water droplet shape is subtle and inconspicuous, and because it runs on batteries, you can place this detector wherever it's needed. We placed one sensor by our washing machine and another under our kitchen sink and synced each with the Flow by Moan app, as well as sending notifications when the unit detects water. You can use the app and the unit's built-in humidity and temperature sensors to track changes over time. This feature is useful if your home's pipes are at risk of freezing in the winter or a rise in room temperature beyond your set limits, which could suggest your air conditioning isn't working effectively or you have steam leaking from a plumbing fixture. Some reviewers have complained about issues pairing the device to their phone or network, but this wasn't ever an issue we experienced. However, we did have occasional problems with alerts. Another drawback is that you have to clear an alert from the app manually. If you don't, you won't get any subsequent alerts until you do. This sensor doesn't have an automatic shut-off valve, but you can buy one separately. Number 4, Flume 2 Smart Home Water Monitor. The Flume 2 Smart Home Water Monitor takes a unique approach to leak detection. Instead of measuring water on a probe or checking for changes through pipes, the Flume 2 reads fluctuations in the magnetic field around your water meter. All of these readings, from the amount of water to where and at the time of use, go to the Flume Bridge and Connected app. This app uses an algorithm to learn your habits and will flag any unusual activity. You can also use the app to set water usage budgets. When you're set to exceed your threshold, the app sends a warning with recommendations on managing usage. Installation is simple but requires potentially getting your hands dirty if your water meter is outdoors. We also experience delays of up to a minute between detection and the notification arriving on our phone. There's no plumbing required for installation of the Flume 2. and the system can conveniently be integrated with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. What we like: accurate, full home protection, minimal installation, detailed yet easy-to-read usage graphs. What we don't like: notification delays. Number 5, Moan 900-001 Flow Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff. The Flow by Moan Smart Water Monitor is one of only a handful of water security systems that don't need any additional sensors to detect and help prevent water damage. Nor does it need a Wi-Fi hub to connect to the Flow app or the wide range of smart speakers and smart home devices it's compatible with. It connects to your main water line via professional installation and uses micro-leak technology to identify leaks as small as a drop per minute, even behind walls and in foundations. Through the Flow by Moan mobile app, you can see live water use, including flow rates, pressure, and temperature. The app sends a standard alert if the sensor detects a minor issue, like a leaky faucet. While this model doesn't come with an automatic shutoff feature or an alarm, if it spots what Moan calls a catastrophic failure, a burst pipe or water running, it sends a critical warning before giving you the option of manually shutting off the water wherever you are. If you want automatic, smart shutoff, you can opt for the Flow Protect plan that offers 24/7 monitoring. Pros: remote shutoff, temperature sensors, no need for a hub or additional sensors. Cons: requires professional installation.